Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for November. This month's theme is Glow Off This Winter. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam bag design features an ice-cold snakeskin pattern. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Commodity Juice Perfume, First Aid Beauty Bounce Boosting Serum, Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Water Cream, Lovecraft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Crystal Lip Gloss. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Ren Skincare Radiance PHA Exfoliating Facial, OPV Beauty Joy Adenuga Skin Gold Primer, Iconic London Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter, Bare Minerals Maximist Mascara, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Liner. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, I'm starting on skincare and testing the Ren Radiance PHA Exfoliating Facial. This is an exfoliating cream powered by a blend of chemical, enzymatic, and physical exfoliants. This one smells like oranges, and I just love exfoliating before applying makeup because then my skin is nice and smooth. Next, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Bounce Boosting Serum. This is supposed to help smooth fine lines and wrinkles with plumping hydration. Wow, that is ultra hydrating and a much thicker consistency than what I would typically expect from a serum. After that, let's try the Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Water Cream. This is a gel moisturizer with ceramide benefits. It feels great on the skin. I love anything with the gel texture. After that, I'm using the OPV Beauty Joy Adenuga Skin Gold Primer. This is very pigmented. It gives such a lovely golden glow to the skin. Next, I'm testing the Iconic London Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter. This is in the shade Universal. Wow, this is stunning. So beautiful and luminous. Now let's try the Lovecraft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Searchlight. It's a shimmery black color. I'm using it to create a graphic liner look. For mascara, I'm using the Bare Minerals Maximist Mascara. This has quite a large applicator, which I'm not the biggest fan of. It's hard to apply with my small eyes and short lashes. After that, I'm lining my lips with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Liner. This is in the shade Dusty Rose. I'm not usually the biggest fan of wood pencils, but the ABH formula is better than most. Finally, I'm applying the Anastasia Beverly Hills Crystal Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Glass. It's a crystal clear lip gloss with glass-like shine. It's not sticky at all and so perfect for turning any lip glossy. Here's the finished look using products from both the November Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below. And as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.